story was really good. Well, the second question was, why were the chicken and the turkey and the duckling were making fun of him and the baby chicks? Why they didn't want to be friends with him? Oh, because they said he looked ugly. He had big feet. He had a long neck. That wasn't right. I know. It's better to be friends than being, well, enemies, than being bullies. That's what bullies do. They like to make fun of, well, little animals. That's what the hen was doing, and the turkey and the goose, and also the ducks. They were making fun of the ugly duckling, right? Yes, but a miracle happened at the end. What was it? He became a swan. A what? A beautiful swan? Those white birds with nice wings and a long neck, beautiful. Yes. Wow. Well, you guys know the story. We do. We do. Well, boys and girls, remember, be friendly, be nice, and make friends. Don't be mean. Don't be rude. Okay, boys and girls. Good night, everybody. Good night. Bye bye. Bye bye. Let's go to sleep. Well, boys and girls, it's better to be friends. Well, the ugly duckling, he was having trouble being alone in the pond and having the other maybe chicks and the turkey and the ducks, or everyone was basically rude to him and making fun of him because of his long neck and of his big feet, which is not right. That is bullying. Okay, boys and girls, don't bully your friends. Don't bully any little kid. Okay? Especially don't bully your pets either. I don't bully mine because I love them. Okay? Alright, good night everybody. Have a nice night. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Alright? Bye-bye. Masalama, shukran. Buenas noches. Good night. Tomorrow's a new story time.